Hey, greetings and salutations, bartender, subscribers, viewers, family and friends. So, everybody know who I am. I'm Orville Hall, aka Dancehall Professor, and the director of the hit YouTube series, The Bartender. So, I am here to do what I call a director's overview, to give you guys some perspective of some of the things that we do in The Bartender and reasons for doing them and what we're trying to get across to you, our loyal supporters and viewers. Let's go. I'm going to start with no bluffing, the scene that have everybody talking. Let's do this.
Xpressionz. Yes, alright. Take it serious. Why yeah, people take it, why you should take it so like why I've never been linked before. What?
Alright, let's pause for a moment. And let me explain something to you that a director will do to jolt the audience. The two badmen, the two kidnappers, walk up and we do what we call a long shot, where you can see them walking up, but to really jolt the audience, we go for what we call a quick close-up. A quick close-up of the face, and that is what gives you that little feeling in your stomach where you say, Wagwan. You see them, but the close-up is truly effective. That is what gives you that kind of shiver factor, scare factor. Let's continue. Fight scene. Now, want you to tell me in the comments below what you notice with the fight scene. Alright, let's talk a little bit about the fight scene. How to achieve an effective fight scene, especially when you don't have a stunt coordinator on set. Angles are very important. If one actor is going to hit a next actor, the angle that you shoot from is very important because one, we don't want the actors get hurt on set. So we try to go for angles. There are times when you have to choreograph exactly, just like a dance, exactly what is going to happen. So the actors have to walk through that whole sequence. And some of it you can't completely choreograph because when an actor have to throw a blow, like Michelle throwing a blow in the back, she have to gauge exactly how she's going to hit him, and his reaction is also important. So even if him not get hit hard, him have to know how to move him body, what direction, how to what we call ride a punch. When the punch is coming across the face, what you do with your face to make it look extremely effective. And then the next very important technique that I use is to dance the camera. So the camera is not just still, but you are actually moving with the actors and dancing the camera. So that gives you the most out of a scene like that. And I think it's a very good scene. Like, I think we achieve exactly what we wanted to heighten that intensity in the moment, so you feel that kind of adrenaline rush as well. I think we do well. Moving on.
Alright. So when you plan to start the film business?
We don't even know what's going on. Right now, we're just out of it.
You serious?
I'm serious.
I'm gonna ask you something. You broke?
No.
You sick?
No.
Some somebody that fear?
No, Tony, and
So we can want to start.
because Tony and my Xpressionz just not right. I just it's
I can't believe.
This scene
You did excited about this, you know?
is really showing you how
I know you nobody want to do it.
important it is to have somebody
You not have no excuse
who will push you
for
forward.
it. If this is something you believe in a career, just start it. No make
That
it
is what
so
Tonian is representing.
problem, make it about
Tonian is
money.
representing that friend that will not allow another
Yeah,
friend
please.
to fall by the
We have
wayside.
money, we can start the business.
So she give him some positive word of advice, and I tell him to life now will always be a better rose. And unless your hand broke or somebody dead for you
youngers.
or you yourself pass, then you shouldn't quit.
Come on, cheer.
And the chemistry between them two here is excellent.
Yep.
Man.
So as much as we're entertaining, we're also educating, because this is showing how them say over the shoulder of every great man, there's a strong woman. So she is representing that woman that will encourage the man to get the best out of him. Back to the bad guys. This is the actor preparing to give that moment where you guys realize it's not a joke thing.
Politician boy. After I tell you send the money on my account to save your daughter, and I know we not send it. Watch us style.
Marcos. Please.
A quick stop. Shooting through the ring light, I did that purposely because I wanted to show that everything is still within the circle of life, whether it be good or bad. So it was intentional when we do that shot there through the ring light to give it some dimension and to see if some people will pick up on it. This whole thing started with Tiffany's decision to get back at her parents, and it has come full circle. So when I start use the ring light, that is what popped in my head, and that is why I gave that angle through the ring light. Moving on.
Academy Award goes to you. You're taking this thing too far, man. Where you get these guys from? I know everything that you've been doing. You should have been in the industry.
No, Marcos, this is not a joke, Marcos. Please help me. Daddy, please listen to Mom.
Oh, come on.
One of the things that makes makeup most effective
You guys can come
is
over
actors knowing what to do with them facial expression. So I can tell you this, good makeup don't cut it unless actors know what to do with them face. Alright, this is the next excellent
This one me talk, no dog bar.
hold on, before we get to that part, I could talk about again the angle where the box them happen from. Because of the angle that we're shooting from, you can get the most out of it. And the actor don't even have to be close to the face of the person that he's hitting. But the angle where we shoot from is what gives you that effective look. And the fact that the actors know how to, what we call ride the hit, it look really effective. And then the sound, that sell it. Let me back up a little bit. So we see that again.
Come on, let's go on a vacation.
Oh, see
So it's a joke thing.
Alright, watch out.
Watch it now. Whap! Whap! actors, yeah, I have to give them props for that.
You see when me talk? No dog bark.
Ah. Moment of truth. Now, the reaction of the actors around is what sells this moment. Totally unexpected. So the facial expression
So listen to me now.
is very important.
Right now, the money gone up. 30 million US. Them put up a hard fine to find the hard cash. You hear that? Lock shot, man.
Yo, my actors them go on with themselves, you know. Go on with themselves. Yep. Once again, it is about understanding what a lead actor does, what a supporting actor does. So the moment is sold by the reaction of what I consider Tiffany to be in that moment, the supporting actress, and the reaction to her mother getting shot is what sell you that jolt in your system. The reaction of Marcus that gives you that jolt in your system. So this is the director's overview for the scene No Bluffing. How you feel about that scene? And how you feel about the things that I spoke about? Did you notice them? Make your comments below. Until the next one, big up on yourself.